Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious sweet recipe from the Konkani cuisine which can be prepared as a prasad or nivedyam for Navratri or any special occasion using broken wheat. This is nothing but Goa Konacha Appo. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of broken wheat, half cup of freshly grated coconut, 3/4 to 1 cup of grated jaggery, 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, and finally some homemade ghee for greasing the appe tawa. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that add the broken wheat and water and wash and soak this well for minimum 2 to 3 hours before further use. In the meantime, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 3/4 to 1 cup of water and the grated jaggery and mix everything well. Make sure to cook this in low to medium flame and allow the jaggery to dissolve completely. For this recipe, we do not need one string consistency. Once the jaggery is of sticky consistency, switch off the flame and into this add the elaichi or cardamom powder and give everything a good mix. Now allow the prepared jaggery syrup to cool down completely before further cooking. Once the broken wheat is soaked well, drain the excess water out of it. Next, to prepare the batter, take a handful of the soaked broken wheat and squeeze the excess water out of it and transfer into the mixer. Now into this, transfer the freshly grated coconut and the prepared jaggery syrup and grind everything well until you get a coarse consistency batter ready. Once the batter is prepared, transfer it into a mixing bowl and now into this add a pinch of salt and mix everything well. Next, take a appe or unniyapam pan and once it's hot enough, transfer the homemade ghee in each bits. Now transfer the prepared batter in each bit and cover this and cook in low to medium flame until it's nice and crisp on one side. Once it's crisp and well cooked on one side, flip this over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side as well. Now your delicious appe or appo is ready. We can repeat the process for the rest of the batter as well. For the prepared batter, we can yield about 10 to 12 godda appo or unniyapam. This is a healthy sweet recipe which is loved by all age groups. It can also be prepared as an evening snack. We can see how nice and crisp it's on the outside and soft and well cooked on the inside. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.